Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. This is Misbah Sajid, and I welcome you all to my channel Taaleem for everyone. In this video, I'm going to cover past worksheet of chapter number 3, approximation and estimation, and this chapter is from New Syllabus Mathematics book 1 or D1. Okay, so you all know that मैंने जो है चैप्टर नंबर 3 से रिलेटेड ईच एंड एवरी एक्सरसाइजेस इन डिटेल मैंने जो है अपलोड की हुई है. अब जो वर्कशीट है चैप्टर नंबर 3 से रिलेटेड इट्स फ्रॉम द श्री स्कूल. ओके, सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस. ओके, सो exercise 1. In exercise 1, we have to round off the numbers to the given numbers of decimal places or the nearest 10, 100 or 1000. Okay, so before starting this, I would like to revise few concept for you, so be with me. I hope so this picture is visible to you all. So here it is a number 5134.4323. So if you see, this is a decimal point. After decimal points, the first number one decimal place पे जो number है वो कहलाया जाता है tenths, then hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000. फिर after that 100,000 फिर जो भी होगा, ठीक है. Before decimal number जो first number होता है that is called as unit or ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands. Okay, so this is the basic difference. So I hope so यहाँ तक आप लोगों को clear होंगी चीजें. Fine. So उसके अलावा I hope so. Now I hope so this screen is visible to you all. Here are 5 rules to identify digits which are significant. Okay, so first rule is all non-zero digits are significant. Then second rule is zeros between non-zero digits are significant. Then we have a third rule. According to a third rule, in a decimal, all zeros before non-zeros, sorry, all zeros after a non-zero digits are significant. Means कि decimal point में non-zero के बाद जो भी zero आता है that is significant. Then rule number 4, in a decimal, zeros before a non-zero digit are not significant. Zero before non-zero in a decimal points are not significant. Then rule number 5 is that zero may or may not be significant in a whole number. It depends on how the numbers are approximated. Okay, so it's all about 5 rules to identify which number are significant. Okay, so now let's start. Now I'm again here with this worksheet, exercise 1. So exercise 1, part 1, 1.92. You have to round up this number to the one decimal place. One decimal place means कि 10th तक आपने राउंड ऑफ करना है. सो पॉइंट के बाद कितने नंबर हैं? 2. वन डेसिमल प्लेस तक आपने राउंड ऑफ करना है. सो one decimal place. Okay, so this would be underlined and after that the number would be circle. Now सारी गेम इस पे है. So if you see this number is less than 5, so इसकी जगह कोई कुछ भी नहीं आएगा and ना ही जो है अंडरलाइन वाले नंबर में कुछ ऐड होगा. So it remains 1.9. Okay, so 1.92 का आंसर क्या आ गया? 1.92, one decimal place. Now part 2, 21.257, 2 decimal place tak. So 1, 2, this would be underlined and this would be circle. So if you see this is this circle value is greater than 5, so you will add 1 in 5 means underlined value and ये इसको जो है हम इग्नोर कर देंगे क्योंकि हम डेसिमल प्लेसेस में राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So 21.26, 21.26 So if you see over here 49.456, so this would be underline and this would be circle. So it would be 49.46. Okay, now 3 decimal place, 1 2 3, this would be circle. So 9 plus 1 is 10, so 0 as it is. 1 plus 7 8, so 1.580. So 3 decimal place तक हमारा आंसर आ गया. 2 decimal place, 1 2, this would be circled. Okay, so the circle value is greater than equal to 5, sorry. So 9 plus 1 is 10, so 1 plus क्या 2 में, so 0.30. Okay, 100 to the nearest 100, 679 to the nearest 100, unit 10 100 or ones 10 100. So this would be underline and this would be circle. और जो remaining values होंगी उनकी जगह हम 0 लिखेंगे. So if you see this value is greater than 5, so 1 plus 6 is 7. बाकी values की जगह हम 0 लिखेंगे क्योंकि now this is whole number. So 700. Okay, so 29 to the nearest 10. 9, if you see this number is circle value is greater than 9, so 2 plus 1 is 3. 9 की जगह हम 0 लिखेंगे. To the nearest 10, unit 10. So if you see this number is equal to 5, so 5 plus 1 is 6, so 56 0 560. So if you remember last rule of identify which digit is significant. So rule number 5 is that in a whole number, the last digit 0 after whole number may or may not be significant. So it depends upon how many numbers are approximated. So 555, 555, you have to round up this number to the nearest 10. So if you see 560, it is answer. Okay, so यहाँ पे जो है यूनिट 10, यहाँ तक हमने जो है कर लिया राउंड ऑफ. नाउ यूनिट 10 100, यूनिट 10 100. Now if you see 0 as it is, now 5 की जगह भी 5 की जगह आएगा 0. Now 5 plus 1 is 6, तो 600. Now 8.97 to the nearest 10 लिखा हुआ, but it is not 10, but it's 10th. कि यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ 8 है यूनिट प्लेस पे नंबर. ओके, now this would be underline and this would be circle. So this circle value is greater than 5, so 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 carry, 9.0 to the nearest 10, nearest 10th, or you can say that 1 decimal place. 10th is 1 decimal place, 100th is 2, 1000th is 3. Okay, so I hope so यहाँ तक आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. If you have any query, so you may comment your query anytime. I will try to respond them as soon as possible. So आगे चलते हैं, next exercise start करते हैं इसकी. Now you have to round off this. In exercise 2, you have to round off these values to the given numbers of significant figure. So one significant figure 1. This is whole number 4570. One significant figure 1 ये रहा. So it means that this would be circle. Okay, so 4 plus 1 is 5. One significant figure. Same. One significant figure. So whole number है तो बाकी हम जो है 0 लिख लेंगे. तो one significant figure है तो 5. So according to rule number 5, that 0 after whole number may or may not be significant, depend upon the condition. So here if you see one significant figure, this would be underlined, this would be circled. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Remaining values would be circle 0. two significant figures, 2 1 2. if you see this value, अंडरलाइन के बाद वाली वैल्यू जो है सर्कल हो जाती हैं. So this value is equal to 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 as it is, बाकी सारी वैल्यू 0. Two significant figures, 1 2, this would be circle. So this is less than 5. So 1 7 as it is, बाकी सारी वैल्यू 0. One significant figures, so बाकी सारी वैल्यू 0. This circle 1 और उसके बाद वाली. अब now if you see this circle value is greater than 5, so 9 plus 1 is 10. ठीक है, 1000 हो गया, लेकिन वन सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर है, तो जो है ये 1. ओके, अब 0 लिखे हुए हों या ना लिखे हुए हों वो हमारा कंसर्न नहीं है, बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल नंबर 5 ये चेंजेस हो रही हैं. टू सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर 1 2. Again, this circle value is less than 5, so 1 2 remains same, 0 0 0. Three significant figure 1 2 3. This circle value is greater than 5. इसकी जगह तो आ जाएगा 0. 0 क्यों लिखते हैं? होल नंबर में 0 लिखते हैं जो चीजें रिमेनिंग होती हैं. ओके, नाउ 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 2 8 0. One significant figure 1. Okay, so 2 0 0 पॉइंट के बाद वाली वैल्यूज जो हैं कैंसिल हो जाएंगी. वन सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर 9 plus 9 है ये. 1 9 plus 9 जो है ग्रेटर देन है 5 से, तो 1 plus 1 is 2 0. पॉइंट के बाद वाली वैल्यूज कैंसिल आउट. ओके, वन सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स तक ही हमने जो है आंसर लेकर आना था. So 20. So one significant figure, if you see in a whole number, 0 before non-zero are not significant. So it means that this is one significant figure. So if you see this value is less than 5. So 0.002. Okay, बाकी सारी values ignored. So this is how we have round up all these numbers. So I hope so यहाँ तक आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. If you have any queries, so you may comment here Q&A anytime. I will try to respond them as soon as possible. आगे चलते हैं. Now here is exercise 3. You have to evaluate each of the following and correct your answer to one significant figure. आपने जो है मल्टीप्लिकेशन करनी है और डिवीजन करनी है, सॉल्व करना है इन शॉर्ट, और जो है उसको वन सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स तक जो है राउंड अप करके बताना है. ओके, तो मैं आंसर आप लोगों को बताती हूँ. इसका पार्ट 1 है 6.01 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.0312 divided by 0.0622. ओके, मैं इसका आंसर आप लोगों को बताती हूँ डायरेक्ट. ओके, so be with me. 6.01 multiply by 0.0312. You will get 0.187512 divided by 0.0622. So 0.187512 divided by 0.0622. So 3.0146 is ये तो जो है इरेशनल नंबर आ रहा है हमारे पास. सो सॉरी, इरेशनल कह रही हूँ, नॉन रिपीटिंग नंबर आ रहा है, नॉन रिपीटिंग नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. सो 3.014. So you have to round off this number to one significant figure. So this all are significant figure because zero in between non-zero are significant. So there are four significant figures, but you have to round up this number to the one significant figure. So one. So if you see this value is less than 5, so 3 seen. So one significant figure तक हमने जो है इसको राउंड अप कर दिया. So I hope so यहाँ तक आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. If you have any query, you may comment your query anytime. अब पार्ट 2 भी देख लेते हैं. मैं यहीं पे ही करवा देती हूँ साइड पे. पार्ट 2 अगर देखा जाए, मैं इसको यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट सॉल्व करवाती हूँ. 12.01 multiply by 4.8, you will get 57.648. Now divided by 2.99. After this you will get 19.280. 19.280. So all are significant. It is again non-repeating, non-terminating values. So 19.280, one significant figures तक आपने round up करना है. So 1, this value would be underline. बाकी रिमेनिंग जो है हम इग्नोर कर देंगे, उसकी जगह कुछ भी नहीं लिखेंगे, ना जीरो ना वन, कुछ भी नहीं. नाउ इफ यू सी दिस सर्कल वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन 5, सो 1 + 1 = 2, और इसकी जगह आ जाएगा 0. पॉइंट से पहले जो भी नंबर होते हैं या होल नंबर जो होते हैं जिनको इग्नोर करना होता है, कुछ करना होता है, उनकी जगह हम 0 लिख लेते हैं. ठीक है. So it's 20, and we know that according to rule number 5 that 0 after whole number, in a whole number, 0 after non-zero are may or may not be significant. So it is according to rule number 5. So this is your answer. Okay, so I hope so यहाँ तक आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. If you have any query, I will try to respond them as possible. You may comment your query. So thank you for watching. So if you have any query, आप जो है आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं किसी भी टाइम. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel, Taaleem for everyone. Okay, so see you inshallah in next video with the more past papers. Okay, so thank you once again. Allah Hafiz.